The Aotearoa Art Fair boasts the best talent the creative art space has to offer. Māori talent are on full display this year, with a plethora of works from Toi Māori from across the motu. One of those is Fred Graham of Ngāti Koroki Kahukura and Waikato Tainui, who at 95 years old managed to create a 4.5 metre high version of his sculpture Kaitiaki. We were at the opening of the fair yesterday and spoke to some of his fellow artists about his legacy.
Fred Graham is the example of excellence. The manner in how he has carried himself, the pride of his iwi, tainui, the humble nature of the man, and the work is stunning and outstanding.
I used to teach at Māori College in the 80s. And of course I was aware of Fred's work back in the 80s. And I used to use him or encourage the students that I used to teach to use Fred as a model, and particularly his work with manu, with birds.
Whether he's 95 or 15, it wouldn't matter. The work would always be at that quality edge because he's a quality artist and a quality New Zealander and a quality person.
It's a celebration of artists and galleries and getting their work shown to a large public. There's everything, so from photography to textile to painting to sculpture, we pretty much cover all forms. There's a large-scale sculpture space at the far end of the cloud and other sculptures at the front, and you'll see absolutely every type of art.
This is the first time that Toi Māori has been involved, and I think that's a significant step because what it does is that it exposes not only the public of Auckland but also international visitors to the richness and versatility that is contemporary Māori art today.
Looking at what we've been through as iwi, and in fact as Indigenous peoples around the world and with COVID, this is an opportunity to use the cloud as a launch pad to open doorways so that we can revisit one another, firstly at home, and secondly to travel the world again with our art. We're genuine and our hearts are open, and we're doing it for the sake of Māoridom, because Māoridom has a right to be exposed in a manner where art, contemporary and traditional, can be viewed by everybody.